How to receive Bitcoin in Sparrow Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to receive Bitcoin in Sparrow Wallet step by step. First of all, launch open the Sparrow Wallet app on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the Receive button on the left-hand side menu. Here, Sparrow will show you your Bitcoin receiving address at the top. Go ahead and copy the wallet address by clicking the copy button right next to the wallet address. And once the wallet address has been copied, you can send this address to the person who is sending you Bitcoin or paste it on the exchange or wallet from where you are withdrawing. If you are using a phone, you can also scan the QR code directly on the right corner. Before sharing, always double check the address correct and carefully. Once the sender completes the transaction, you can monitor it in the Transactions tab. After confirmation of the network, the Bitcoin will appear in your wallet balance. And that's how you successfully receive Bitcoin in Sparrow Wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.